Chicken curry. A main dish from Seychelles. Serves 2. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Cut chicken into small pieces and boil with pepper, salt, and 2 tablespoons quatre épices for 5 or 10 minutes. Step 2. Peel and crush garlic, ginger, and saffron. Peel potatoes and cut into quarters. Wash and dry cinnamon leaves, roughly chop. Step 3. Remove chicken from heat. Place in a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. Add crushed spices, cinnamon leaves, and curry powder. Stir for 5 minutes over a low heat. Step 4. Add coconut milk and potatoes, leave to simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.